with her sister.
OOTD. Yup. This is a lazy outfit. Because I didn't want to wear the other outfit, so. Anyways. Also, I am on my period, so if it stains, it's gonna stain. If it shows, it's gonna show. I don't even have a sweater to cover it up. My knees kill. The seat is so low and I can't move it higher because the thing is rusty as hell. It's stuck. So my knees kill. And I left my sister. She went ahead. Sometimes you just have to go on your own pace. When I just sit here for the rest of the 2 hours and wait to return the bikes. It's been 38 minutes already of bike riding. As according to my Apple Watch. You know, minus the pauses of me stopping to stretch my legs and try to fix the chair. My hand is so dirty right now. At least it's empty. There's a lot of people biking, but not that many people where it's like embarrassing. Like nobody is sitting here except for me. Oh, there's a guy coming. This feels better than walking though. But it's just if the chair was higher, my legs would feel great. Because one thing about the seats are they're wide. I was scared it's gonna be tiny like the ones in spin class and my ass would be swollen. But the seats are wide, so that's good. But the seat's not up high. Should I try again? It's just so embarrassing. I'm scared someone's gonna come up to me and ask if I need help pulling up the seat. Happy birthday, Autumn! Why is this so dark in the camera? Shit! It's wobbly because the seat is low. These washings. I'll get a nice shot for y'all, even though it's a diagonal. Whee! How should we bike into the river? It's raining! It's raining! It's raining!
안녕하세요 여러분. 한강사업본부입니다. 한강공원에서 시원한 바람 마시며 자전거.
It's raining! Y'all can't even see anything. The water is right there. Do you see that? Is that a better view? I think the announcement lady is telling us we have 1 hour left. The happy birthday orange sign's covering y'all. There's a park sign. You see that? Oh shit. See? Park sign.
한강공원에 사시는 여러분.
Okay. Damn. This is what it felt like when I was biking. Hey, there's more here. There's tons here. Hey everyone, we are back home. Well, we were back home like 2 hours ago, and I have school in 30 minutes, online school, a Zoom class. Today we went biking, then it stormed. It rained hard twice, as you saw. and then we went to IFC Mall, I believe it was called, and we visited Bookstore, where there was a huge K-pop section. Every time we go somewhere where it's like K-pop related, it's mainly just NCT, and there's barely, I say that, but there's still kind of a lot, but there's barely BTS stuff, and I'm not having it. But tomorrow we're going to Myeongdong, and a lot of it has a bunch of K-pop related attractions, so hopefully the BTS stock is huge. Anyways, I was telling my Discord server this earlier, but I feel like the feeling of being overwhelmed and overstimulated in Seoul is starting to hit me today, and that today will be the sad phase of the whole trip. Hopefully not anymore in the next few days, because we still have maybe 10 to 9 days left, maybe 9 days left here in Seoul. Maybe 7, 8, I don't know, somewhere around that range. But I think mainly the kind of culture shock, as well as missing home and the change of pace in life, the sudden change in pace in life, my life, and the lack of having comfortable independency as I would have in Canada. Does this make sense? You know what, maybe I'll break this down in the last video of the series where I do like that podcast-esque vibes. But anyways, let me just show you what I got from the K-pop store today. This is all I got today. Well, first of all, I got this iced tea. I drank that shit in 1 minute. Let me show you guys what I got at YP Books at IFC Mall. My sister also got a bunch of 17 albums for her friend, and her friend was looking for like certain members' albums for the album with that has a version for each member. And the worker literally opened it up to check because you can't see which member is which, and she literally opened up to check for us. That was so funny. Anyways, let me show you guys what I got. I got Love Yourself, her version O. This is my final version I needed, because the other store did not have. And then I also got Wings version W, I, and N. And the only version I have is G, and these are the only Wings out in the store. So what a coincidence that I got W, I, N, and there wasn't a G there because I already had it. Love to see it. Anyways, 3 of them here. And that is it. And now my BTS Korean album collection is complete, I believe. Am I missing anything else? I don't think so. But now it is complete. I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna open them now, or maybe tomorrow morning. But I have school in 30 minutes. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. And if we're ending it here, thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next vlog, which is Myeongdong. Spoiled. This feels fake. Wow, great photo. Let's continue.
This is more than a crash, more than a like, more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. This is more than a crash, more than a like, more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you.